Once upon a time, in the realm where creativity met innovation, a group of DIY enthusiasts embarked on an extraordinary journey to craft a spectacle that would redefine aquatic luxury. Their vision: a magnificent creation featuring double round swimming pools, a villa adorned with rooftop water slides, all brought to life by the enchanting magic of magnetic balls. The tale began with the careful selection of magnetic spheres, each one a tiny element in the grand design that would soon unfold. The builders envisioned not just a swimming pool and villa but an opulent haven where aquatic delight met architectural wonder. As the magnetic balls clicked and connected, a symphony of creation resonated, setting the stage for an immersive journey where every connection echoed with the promise of aquatic extravagance. The first chapter of their narrative unfolded with the construction of the double-round swimming pools. Meticulously designed, the pools promised a visual spectacle with transparent walls made entirely of magnetic balls. The builders marveled at the aquatic wonders within, the pool seemingly suspended in a magnetic dance that mirrored the excitement of their finned inhabitants. With the pools standing as shimmering testaments to their ingenuity, attention turned to the villa structure that would not just house but harmonize with the aquatic oasis. The rooftop water slides became the focal point, each twist and turn carefully crafted with magnetic precision. The builders envisioned a journey from the heights of the villa to the refreshing depths of the pools below, a thrilling adventure shaped by the allure of magnetic magic. As the water slides curved and the villa reached its architectural zenith, the builders marveled at the spectacle before them. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, as the magnetic clicks and snaps provided a therapeutic backdrop to the construction, echoing the serenity of flowing water and the excitement of creation. The grand reveal marked a moment of triumph. The double-round swimming pools and the villa with rooftop water slides stood as a testament to the limitless possibilities when creativity and magnetic magic converged. The comments section echoed with admiration, viewers expressing awe at the seamless blend of innovation, architectural beauty, and the soothing sounds that envelop the DIY sanctuary. In the heart of this aquatic masterpiece, the builders reveled in the joy of having woven not just a physical creation but a narrative where luxury, innovation, and the allure of magnetic spheres converged. The double-round swimming pools and the villa with rooftop water slides became more than a project. They were a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magical waters of DIY creation. And so, in the realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the double-round swimming pools and the villa with rooftop water slides endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just an aquatic wonderland but a story where the joy of creation flowed as freely as the waters in their opulent sanctuary.
Thank you. Open the door. Let me out.
Where are you?
Go away. Me no like. Ma.